Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, the Northern Mountains. So, this is the chapter that we are going to start today. In this lesson, children, we are going to learn about the Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas, and Lower Himalayas. We will also learn about the importance of Himalayas, northeastern states, and life of people in the mountains. How do the people live in the mountains? So, children, here we have to identify the following hill stations. So the picture, first picture on the left side is of Shimla. So please write down Shimla over there. And the picture which is on the right side, that is Nainital. So first one is Shimla and second is Nainital. Now let us continue with our chapter. Along the northern boundary of India, there is a long and a very high chain of mountains. This chain includes the Karakoram mountain ranges and the Himalayan mountain ranges. The Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. The word Himalaya means the home of snow. Him means snow and Alya means home. So, children, in chapter 1, we have read about the physical divisions of India. And there we read about the northern mountains which lies on the north of India, which lies on the north side of India. So, children, along the northern boundary of our country, there is a very long and a very high chain of mountains. So, there is a chain of mountains, not one single mountain is there. There is a chain of mountains over there, and this chain of mountains is made up of two mountain ranges. So this chain is made up of two mountain ranges. First is Karakoram mountain range and second is Himalayan mountain range. And children, both these mountain range together make up the northern mountains. So in the second page, children, you will see, in the second page over here, you will see, children, at the top you have Karakoram mountain range and then you have the Himalayan ranges. So both these ranges together are known as northern mountains. Since it is present on the northern side of India, that is why it is known as northern mountains. So this is the position of these mountain ranges. Now, Now, children, Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the whole world. Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world, and the word Himalaya is made up of two words, Him, which means snow, and Alya, which means home. So, the word Himalaya means home of the snow. Now, let us read the third paragraph. In the extreme northwestern part is the Karakoram range. It lies in Jammu and Kashmir. Mount Godwin Austen, or K2, which is 8,611 meters high, is the highest peak in this range. The Himalayas extend for 2,500 kilometers from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. Their width varies from about 115 kilometers to 400 kilometers. These mountains are broader in the west than in the east. The Himalayas have many high peaks that are always covered with snow. 9 out of the 10 highest mountain peaks in the world are in Himalayan range. The highest mountain peak is Mount Everest in Nepal. It is about 8,848 meters high. So, children, the Karakoram range lies on the extreme northwestern part of India in Jammu and Kashmir, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now, Mount K2, or Godwin Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak of this range. And what is the height of Mount K2 or Mount Godwin Austen? So the height of this peak is 8,611 meters. Now, just below the Karakoram range, children, lies the Himalayan mountain range. It starts from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. And the total distance of Himalayas is 2500 kilometers. So it starts from Jammu and Kashmir and goes up till Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. But the width or the broadness of Himalayas varies, it differs. So at some places it is 150 meters broad, and at some places it is 400 meters broad. So the broadness of Himalayas, it varies from 150 kilometers to 400 kilometers. Now children, Himalayas are more broader on the west side. On the west of India, Himalayas are more broader. But as we move towards the east, it becomes narrows. So Himalayas are more broader on the west side and it is narrow on the east side. Now children, Himalayas have very high peaks. So Himalayas have many high peaks and they are always covered with snow. And lastly, children, the world's highest mountain peak is Mount Everest, and it is also located in Himalayas, and it is located in Nepal. Nepal is our neighboring country, and Mount Everest is located in Nepal. And the height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. So, that is the height of Mount Everest. Now, children, let us read the ranges of Himalayas. So, the Himalayan mountains have three distinct parallel ranges. These are the Great Himalayas or the Himadri, the Middle Himalayas or the Himachal, the Lower Himalayas or the Shivalik. So, children, there are three parallel ranges of Himalayas. First one is the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The second is the Middle Himalayas, which is also known as Himachal, and the Lower Himalayas, which is also known as Shivalik. So, these are the three ranges of Himalayas. See this drawing, children. See this picture which is given in your book. Now, at the top, we can see the Karakoram range. It is clearly visible. Karakoram is written. Just below the Karakoram, we have the Himalayan ranges. Now, Himalayan ranges have been divided into three ranges. First is the Greater Himalayas. You can see Great is written. So, just below the Greater Himalayas or Himadri, we have the Middle Himalayas. So, Middle Himalayas lies in between the Greater and the Lower Himalayas. So, just below Greater Himalayas, we have the Middle Himalayas, which is also known as Himachal, and just below Middle Himalayas lies the Shivalik range. You can clearly see Shivalik range is written. So, children, these are the three parallel ranges of Himalayas. So, children, today we have read about Karakoram range, which lies in the Jammu and Kashmir. Then we read about the Himalayan range, which lies in Jammu and Kashmir, and it goes all the way till Arunachal Pradesh in the northeast. Then we read that Himalayas are more broader on the west side and they are narrower on the eastern side. Then we read about the three parallel ranges of Himalayas: the Greater Himalaya, which is known as Himadri, the Middle Himalayas, which are known as Himachal, and the Lower Himalayas, which are also known as Shivalik. So, children, today we will read till here only. So, please read the portion which is taught today. And just in case if you have any doubt, you can ask me through Campus Care. So, children, please read the portion and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.